Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is our 11th video in series of how to read and write Afaan Oromo. My name is Tasfai. Welcome back. In our previous video or videos, we have seen how we pronounce and how we write Afaan Oromo, especially short and long sounds and strong and soft sounds. We've also seen some of the combinations of these. Some words have the combinations of or some of these characteristics, and we have seen those together. And there is one um, exercise I given you in my previous video on video 10. This is the solution for that exercise. So the first one is which one is soft sound? Dalaga, soft sound. Dalaga, three of them are soft sounds. Jabbi, only ja is soft sound. B is strong. B, ba sound is strong. That's why actually we doubled it. Walakka, walakka. So wa and la are soft sounds, while ka, walakka, is the ka sound is strong sound. When the sound is strong, we'll double the consonant. We have seen this in our previous video. That's why we double the consonants, because we say it deeper, we say it strong, we say that sound strongly. And as we've said, we don't have strong or sounds at any word at the beginning of Oromo sound. That's why we don't have here no strong sound at the beginning. This one is which one is a strong sound? Bakaka. Now I'm sure you know which one is stronger now. Bakaka. So it's only ka that is strong because we wrote it already strong as a deep sound by doubling the consonant. Warabessa, clearly again, sa is strong here. This is, you should know this not by looking at the the letters being doubled, but listen to the sound I read. Warabessa, warabessa. Sa is deep, that means strong. Kiyo, kiyo. So the Y sound is strong. The next exercise was which one is short. Short is the sound that we stay a short period of time when we read it. Kudan, kudan. As you can see, we only stay short on all of them. Kudan. We didn't say kudan or kudan or kudani. We didn't say like that. So kudan, all of them are short. Jalan, jalan. Now you can see ja sound is long. Jalan, we stay on it. And la, it's short. But also listen, it is also strong. Jalan. We didn't say jalan, but we say jalan. So short for the exercise. And it's also strong because that's why we doubled L. Oromo, Oromo. Which one is short? Oromo. The first O and Ra sound are short. Oromo, and the Mo is long. Oromo. So the first O and then Ro are short. Long sound means that we stay a little bit on the sound. We stay a little bit on the sound. As we have seen in our previous video, short and long sounds are denoted in writing by double vowels or single vowels. If it is short, we have single vowels. If it is long, if we stay on it, we have double vowels. Era. So as you can see, we have two sounds, A and Ra. Both of them are long because we stay on them. Era. We didn't say era or era, but era is the word we know is era, means long. It's also long. Both of the sounds are long. Sagale, which one is long here? If la, you say la, that is correct. Sutuma, sorry, I left click over Sutuma between the two sounds. It is not any letter, but it is a mark of the mouse click. So it is Suutuma. If I read it in Oromo, Sa u Ta u Ma a. Sutuma. So which one is long? If you have said the Sa sound and the Ma sound, you are correct. So that is the exercise for this, for the previous video. And today we'll continue on dealing with our list of with the list of criteria in by which we are categorizing and looking at Afaam Oromo. So today we will see what is called Irra, buta, or silent or semi-silent words. So silent or semi-silent words are sounds are the sounds that don't need consonant. No, sorry, vowels. They don't require vowels, but make they make the next vowel a strong one. So here, if we see arba, so when we say arba, we don't need I or E here. We don't write arba. Arba is an elephant in Oromo. So if we say it like this, it is not arba, it is ariba. So it is not the right word. So here ra is a silent or a semi-silent sound. Arba. But in such kind of arrangement is when there are silent sounds, the next sound here in this case ba looks strong. Arba. So many people confuse or make errors like this by doubling ba sound to make it strong. But there is a rule in Oromo language: if there is a silent before that another sound, that sound, though strong, we never double it. We never make it strong. We don't make it like, we don't write like this. Torba, we never write like this, even though ba here is strong. We don't double the ba sound to make it strong. That is wrong. So torba, arba, for two. So in all of these three, the ra sound is silent or kind of semi-silent. we call in Oromo Irra buta. Irra buta means just another meaning of being silent. So tasgabbi, tasgabbi. So sa here is a silent. We when we say silent, like not in English, like talk. In English, when we write talk, we never say L. Or when we write walk, we never say L. This is a complete silent in English. But in Oromo, we rather say semi-silent. That's why I added semi-silent to it. The sound is still there, but it is a small touch on them when we read or when we talk. Torba, arba, furtu, tasgabbi, waita, waita, tortora, tartiba, tam, tamsasa, tilmama, tofta. So they are semi-silent. Better to say semi-silent than silent words. Sound, sorry. And the rule here is we do not repeat the consonant after the semi-silent to make it strong. That is the rule. Okay, that's the rule. Listen, otherwise we write them. We never add. Most of this semi-silent seems they have missed e or I in Oromo. Like tilmama. If you add I here, the meaning the word is no word Oromo word anymore. Doesn't have any meaning. Tartiba. If you add I there, it's no correct. It's no Oromo word. Okay. So this is the rule of semi-silent words. And I'm gonna give you a small exercise, just 5 words. You're gonna write this 5 words. Be careful of the semi-silent words. When you write this, you have to also consider all the previous rules: short, long, soft, and strong, because we have to write the word correctly. So think of think of all of the rules and write. But I will test you on how you write correctly about the semi-silent or silent Oromo sounds. So number 1 is tarsimo, tarsimo, tarsimo. Number 2, Adams, Adams, Adams. And number 3, Kapsis, Kapsis, Kapsis. To remind you, Ka is Q, okay? That is a very initial videos. You can go back and see them. Number 4, Sirba, Sirba, Sirba. And the last one, number 5, Jilba, Jilba. Jilba. Thank you very much. The answer for this one will be on the next video, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.